when we talk about managing IP assets, as we showed you there, the value piece is what it can really do for your business in terms of building value, revenues, acquisitions, exits, things like that. You have to understand that managing IP assets, especially inside a business, and we're talking about this, more so with businesses that have multiple types of intellectual property than perhaps a smaller business with a single. But if you have 2 or 3 different IP assets, in some cases you may have a portfolio of assets, you have to understand that IP management is more than just putting it on paper and saying this is the IP we have. As an asset, you have to manage it, much like tangible assets, such as your plant, your equipment, your inventory, your raw materials. You have to do inventory management. You have to do production management. Those all require going certain tasks, activities, and steps that are involved in it. And they all come together to be able to enable businesses to effectively manage their inventory or manage their products or whatever the case is. Now, that's on the tangible asset side. On the intangible asset side, when we talk about IP management, it involves tasks, activities, certain specific areas, but they all have to be brought into play in order to effectively manage it.